Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be learning how to make the console application. So first thing, we're going to make a new terminal and go to extensions and make sure to install the .NET. Just write .NET and write Csharp and download them. If you finish downloading, you can continue and press .NET View Console. This is the easy way, so you don't have to download other stuff and do more complicated stuff. So press enter. Basically, these files download. After you see this, it means it's finished. It depends how fast it's going to be downloaded based on your PC, based on your speed of PC and internet connection. So after these are done, go and start by pressing Control Shift P at the same time, and use .NET Generate Assets for build and debug. So this gets a new folder, a new place called VS Code. You're gonna go to Launch JSON and double tap and delete the text right here. That's called console. And make sure to type external terminal. So this makes the terminal external. External means outside. So I've managed to write some notes. Show me. Okay. So this is what you need mostly to learn. So right here, let's make a new variable. If you don't know variables, I'll be putting a video link at the end of the video. Make sure to watch and maybe you'll learn actually new stuff. I'll be putting an extra learning in each video, and it's randomized in the video, so you guys can watch and check on YouTube. These tips will help you extremely in the video, especially in your development as a dev. So let's say we're gonna make a random name called John. Make sure to put the semicolon, it's important. We're getting a warning because the variable is assigned, but it's not used. So we're gonna be putting console.write. And make sure to put console.read, so the terminal doesn't close after, because there is no code left. So you're going to be putting name, that's the name of the variable, and then putting .ToUpper. So as you can see, .ToUpper, you can see the notes, .ToUpper makes the string to uppercase. So when we run this, we're going to see, of course, we're going to see it's John is going to be all uppercase. So make sure right over here, it's called John. That's what we expected, of course. So we can actually, let's say we want to choose a name like at compile time. Of course, we don't want we're gonna put console.readline. So basically this stores the information, but we're getting an error, 2 errors actually. First, there's a null. Null means it doesn't have a value. You're going to be learning about null in future topics. It's not possible to convert null literal to possible null. So we don't know the value. We don't know what we're going to enter. So we're getting a warning. So if you want to fix that problem, we're going to be putting a question mark here. This, it's going to tell you that this is a possible null reference. See, we're still getting this. So we're gonna be putting this. Oh, don't worry about this. Let me try. Maybe it's possible. Okay. So this tells its console just to shut up and that you know what you're doing. So this tells you that, okay, we know what we're doing. We know there's a null, but please don't give us a warning. We want to keep our code clean. So we want to say for the user, enter a name. Okay. So when we enter a name, we want to put a new line so we can keep our code clean, and do /n. So basically /n puts a new line. You can You can actually put like the right line, but that's not going to be put above it. Then we're going to be putting this. Okay. You can use this and you can use this. Or even you can use, I'm going to make all this. This is actually like one of the bonus features, but this is not the most important one. And we're going to put a hashtag. This basically we can, make it clean by putting this. So this takes it like as like a variable, so you print it out on the screen. Okay, so this is good. Now we're gonna be running it. Hopefully it's going to be it goes as we entered. So this is an easy pack of code. Enter a name. Let's say Smith. We can put Smith. Right. So it puts Smith at uppercase. So that's a good thing. Okay, so let's say, let's see. Let's enter a number. So what if the number of the user is very big? So let's say it's 15.9999 to infinity. Well, this is going to be stored as a string. So we're going to be using the String.Remove. So the String.Remove is very easy to use. So after the 5th letter, everything is going to be deleted. So I'm going to be putting these. I'm going to be, I think, name.remove. So let's say after 5 letters, okay, it's null again. So I'm gonna miss by putting this. Let's see if it actually works if you put a question mark. It works too. This is a nicer way and a more polite way. Okay, so after 5 characters, everything that's above 5 characters is going to be deleted. So let's run it again. Okay, let's say 12.545. So if we're gonna put 9, 5 is going to be deleted because of course this counts as a string too. So okay, see the 5 got deleted because after 5 characters, everything out of it is going to be everything in this line is actually going to be deleted. By the way, this counts as a character, so for people to not be confused. Now we're going to be using, let's say, okay, the String.Trim. Wait. Oh, sorry. Now we fixed it. Okay, so if we put a space, the space is going to be deleted, but not the characters. So it gets rid of all spaces. Make sure this time you make it capitalized because Csharp is case sensitive. Okay, let's say we're gonna put space, 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 and Joe. See, it removed the spaces and put Joe. So this is very easy. Okay, perfect. Now for the bonus at the end of the video, String.Empty is the same as null, by the way, and ToLower works as the same. So for the bonus, we're going to be string. Let's say, we're going to make a name too. Equal, hi, wait, hello. So let's say we're going to make console.write. So strings are like arrays because they're an array of characters. So right now we're going to be putting name. You're going to be learning arrays in the future. Name, and after the third character, we'll put the string, of course. Let's say we print okay, we're going to be printing name, then we're going to be adding it. This. Okay. I don't know why it feels like it's so complicated for me, but it's not. Then we're going to be putting, after the third letter, we're putting a new line. So let's say, I forgot to never delete the console.read. Okay, let's do it. Okay, hopefully it works as intended. Okay, hello, and the third little letter L is printed down here. So this is perfect, actually. So this is good so far. You can actually make more complex things with these arrays. Okay, so this is the end of the video. This was the bonus. This is actually going to be very helpful in your future game, your future development as a dev. So see you guys next time. I'm not gonna tell you to subscribe or like. This is your opinion. Hopefully you do. See you guys in the next video.